What happened?
Wait, did you see that mouse pass over there?
Yes, I saw it, but it went over there.
No, I'm telling you, he go over there.
Come on now, are you that blind? The damn mouse went over there.
Don't you dare. I'm telling you, he went over there.
Don't I dare what? You are too blind to see a simple mouse went this way? Anyway, why are we having this conversation?
Rick, don't you dare raise your voice on me. Okay?
Wait a minute. Is it my fault that you can't see further than your nose?
Forget you. We both saw the dumb mouse go over there, and you too stupid to listen? Are you deaf? Anyway, what you are going to do about it? You're a mighty man.
Oh, now you're a comedian?
Me? Comedian?
Enough! Now you have done it. You have got on my last nerve. You lazy, good for nothing.